Watch how I can play the riff to Crazy Train. I start on D, La, and I'm going to use my middle finger, spice meatballa on D, La. I'm going to play that with my thumb twice, and then lift up with my index finger on the 4th string. Me, do, do, dee, do. And I'm going to rock back and forth like that. See if you can do that with me. Da, 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 dum. Try that again. Da, 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 dum. I'm then going to keep rocking back between my index finger on the 4th string and my thumb on the 3rd string. It looks like this. Da 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 dum, da dum, da dum. So I keep rocking back and forth, but I add my index finger on the 1st fret of the 1st string. Let's try that together really slow. 1 and 2, and here we go. Once again, ready, here we go. Once you can do that, you're ready for the next phrase, where I take the 4th string and hit it with my thumb, and then I play 1st fret, open string with my index finger on the 2nd string. Ba, da, da. See how I use my index finger over here? And I use my thumb and index finger over here. Then I come back on and do the same thing again. And end it with the open 3rd string. Watch that whole phrase. Split into 2 halves. Here's the first half. Let's try that all together. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. Let's try that again. It goes. The second half sounds like this. Let's try that together. 1, 2, try it with me. Those 2 halves together sound like this. Try that with me. Ready, go. Try again, and here we go. When I add that to the first phrase, the whole thing sounds like this. And I can end on that D note, or I can end on a D minor chord, La, Do, Mi. Let's try the whole thing together. Ready? 1, 2, whole thing. If that went too fast for you, pause the video and keep trying, or maybe even slow it down and try it at a slower speed. Good luck and have fun.